Welcome to my English journey. Today we will be talking about how I learn English, how I adapted with English, and how I improvise English into my daily life until my academic life. The first one is how it started. I usually you heard about English in radio or maybe in computer using songs as the mediator. I first encountered English, and my first ever English songs that I know that made me know English so much is Linkin Park. In the end, I played these songs a lot of time during when I was a childhood, and it was such a great time. After that, I found a game called Guns of Glory. It's a game where you develop your own castles and meet another people from another region. And here I met some people from American, and that helped me to improvise my English. And then from then on, I started to shift from Wally into Linkin Park, maybe Taylor Swift, and even Juice WRLD. I listened to their songs pretty much a lot after I played Guns of Glory. And then I discovered a new game called Clash of Clans. In this game, it's basically almost the same where you develop your own castles, meet new friends, and talk with another people from another country. And I have my first culture shock, which is swearing is a common thing in my most games, which is a kind of shock because I'm from a village which is really forbidden to swear, maybe like saying a little bit. Next, I have supportive English friend. In my elementary school, there's a lot of friends that uses English too, but not in daily life, and that's also boosted my confidence to learn English more, and that's why I'm pretty fluent in English at that time. And then how it affects my daily. So sometimes I do code switching. So using Indonesian, but sometimes also using English as my way to communicate with other people, especially my friend that knows English too. And then I discovered Discord as the bridge for my lingua franca. I discovered a lot of people outside Indonesia. I mostly found them in Singapore, and yes, we talk in real time using Discord because it's basically like calling them. And then next, the first time as an English user, it's like making me so good at English, so good at listening people with English voice. That's why Discord is one of a kind that helps me a lot to improve in English. School finally teach something useful in my high school. So previously I just had enough English vocabulary to say on my own that mostly I got a very good grades, and when I reached high school I learned finally something new. And not only that, in culture in my high school is kind of rough for me because the only guy that knows how to speak English is myself. So basically, I need to study English by myself. But yeah, because I learn new stuff, then I also learn from the teacher. And then I discovered another game which is the same, developing a castle, meet a new friend, and I still play this game until now, and it helps me a lot. Everyone speaks English in this game because there is a translation that helps me to understand them in English because there is no Indonesian translator yet. And then my biggest impact is Twitch. Twitch is a live streaming platform that helps you to connect with other people by watching some streamers. And as you can see here, we have a Twitch chat. Why is it my biggest impact? Because not only listening to the streamer that use English, I also learn tons of new stuff, maybe like their culture in chat. So I basically just study and learn about English by myself and not study it really that hard because of Twitch. And then moving on, my daily life as an English literature student were pretty fun because I have English basics and I learned a tons of new stuff in English literature, and it was a very fun and challenging days. And then new books is a new challenge because I discovered that English in advance is very hard. And thus I also learned about how to pronounce things correctly, how to read everything but not be bored, etc. Because there's a lot of new stuff in college. And last but not least, I have YouTube. My two most favorite channel is Venus Gaming and Smithy. They both are gaming related, and it was the very most fun things from English but gaming related that I have watched. And thank you so much. That's the journey of my English from childhood into a grown adult 20 years old man. And I hope everyone had a good day. Thank you so much for listening and watching, and